Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Retired Shenanigans, here with another one today. Today, we're going to make baked ziti. We got our meat here. We're going to get ready to cook it in the pot. And I'm going to take you along step by step. I just want to say welcome back to my new subscribers. Thank you for coming along. I have quite a few new subscribers. Let's go. I'm thanking you guys for following me. I want to get to 1,000 subscribers at least. Come on, y'all. Help me out. We're going to get ready, though, to make this baked ziti. Let's go. All right, this is the pot we're going to cook the baked ziti in today. It's all washed up and ready to go. I'm going to put some of these peppers and onions in it. Peppers and onions. We're going to get them going first before we put the meat in. I would usually use a little of my country crop, but we're going to use a little bit of oil. That's enough. The pot is on. We're going to saute down those vegetables. We're going to throw our meat in it. And we're going to get to cooking up the meat. I want to thank you guys for coming along with me on my YouTube journey. I appreciate all my new subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my future subscribers that's coming along. I ain't been feeling well a couple of days, so I might sound a little funny. I don't know what's going on. It could be the weather. I'm fighting to make this content right now, but I have to cook some food for my fiance because he comes home. Well, he works from home, but he's out today. When he come home, he always asking, what's to eat? And I know it is hard to keep buying food out. So I'm going to make him something that he can eat for a couple of days. Some baked ziti. The meat is in the pot now, cooking up too, with the vegetables. We're going to season this meat. First, we're going to use a little meat tenderizer. We got our infamous garlic and herb. We're going to try this new Tone Brother beef. I'm only going to put a little bit of this. Not too much. We got Italian seasonings. Italian seasoning. What you guys having for dinner tonight? Let's make it good, guys. Let's make it good. We got some parsley. All right, now. Here we go, mixing it all up. We're going to pour the meat sauce on it when we pasta sauce. We're gonna mix it up and get it ready. I'm gonna take you step by step. I made this recipe up my own. I'm saying. I'm gonna put sauce on it. I'm gonna put cheese. I'm gonna put ricotta in it. It's gonna be good. It's going to be good. Yes, it will. So, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that the shenanigan is here making food, cooking it up. Bring them along with you, because we have some good stuff here on this channel. So we're going to let that cook. We're going to let that cook. As you see, the meat is done. I'm going to put I'm going to put the sauce in it. I'm just trying to clean up over here a little bit. We're going to put the sauce in it. And let that cook down. And then we're going to boil the noodles. And get all of that together. I'll put a little beef bouillon in it. Well, we're back now. This is sauce that I had left over from something else I made. So, we're going to use that first. Then we're going to open the jar that we got over here. Bowl and basket. Tell me how y'all make baked ziti. Put the recipe down in the comments. Maybe we can share. You can tell me how you make yours. We're going to get a pot for the ziti. We're going to start cooking them up. Ziti pot. I'm gonna put a little salty in it. And a little oil. We're gonna let that come to a boil. We're gonna put the noodles in. This is simmering down. You know what though? Y'all know me. If you watching my show, if y'all watch me, y'all know what I'm getting ready to put in it. A tad bit of sugar. A tad bit of sugar. Because y'all know I put sugar just about in everything. Not much. Just a little bit. See? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ziti going in.
So like more of a formal dining room, or? We need a formal dining room.
Ziti has.
Nice, cozy bungalow.
Excuse me. I told you I haven't been feeling well. So excuse me for my voice a little bit. The Ziti has gone in the pot.
I want something to feel like where I grew. 3 bedrooms, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
One day, one of those rooms will be nursery.
Now we're going to let them cook up.
That's it, the next.
Let's take the sugar away. Put it away. We're not going to use none of this in the noodles.
He's very stubborn. I mean, I like to compromise and say, hey, like, you know, why don't we do this? I compromise as well. Well, you know, I want to make sure we have ceilings.
All right, the noodles have went into the pot. We're going to let them cook up. And when they're all done, we're going to assemble our baked ziti. I'll bring you along when I put it, everything stuff, putting it all together. The noodles are drained and cooled. So we don't want them to keep cooking so much. We're going to put some of that in there. We're going to get some of this meat. We're going to pour it on there. We're going to mix it up. We got Parmesan cheese we're going to put in there. We got some mozzarella we're going to put in there. We're going to stir it up in sections. We're not going to pour it all and stir it up at one time because we want to mix it. Get a good mix. We're going to put some ricotta. Ricotta. Almost forgot the ricotta. Am I making a mess? Yes, I am. I know I am. That's okay. Because guess who cleans it? Me. Mm-hmm. Me. So see how we doing it? In increments. That one got away. We're going to use that one. Noodles. Meat. Noodles, meat, cheese. 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 So you stir it and you get it good and mixed up. Okay, it's all assembled. That's Parmesan cheese on top with some mozzarella. It's all assembled to go in the oven. And we're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. And we're gonna take it out and I'll show you what it looked like. So this is what the ziti look like now, because they done got to it. So it must be taste good because half the pan is gone already. I'm sorry I forgot to vlog the tasting of it. But anyway, if you like the video, subscribe, like, and comment. And I'm so sorry that you didn't see the taste testing. Come back for the next one. Love you guys. Thank you.